Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody is having a great day. Well, we have another unbagging, so we have another review. Let's see who this is from. Well, I could get the scissors to get in there. Making sure I'm not cutting through anything. Alright. Get that out of our freeway. Well, we have two cross-stitch kits, and they are from a company that I have never done a review for. So this is from FGNormal, and I'm not sure where they're located, but we're going to have a look. And they contacted me, so I said sure. So let's see what has arrived. Well, first off the bat, we have a DIY cross-stitch, and this is called Mountain Forest. And I thought it was different. It looks more like, I don't know what that kind of painting's called, actually, when I started that conversation, so delete that part. No, just don't listen. Just for a second. I'll get it together. I was going to say like a silhouette thing, but not really. It looks like it's partially watercolor, partially acrylic. Then you got this here that looks like a silhouette. It's just kind of different. So yeah. Now this one is a 40 by 50, and it was $7.48. It does have the product number. As you know, some of them have a product number there. Some don't. And I like that the instructions are not folded down, you know, inside the canvas. And this one, this pattern right here, and all these symbols will match your canvas. That's just the way they do things. This has 25 colors. It's okay to read. You might want to blow it up or use a magnifying glass if you have to. It does have the numbers across the top, so you can tell that it's within 10 by 10, 20 by 10, you know, where exactly you're looking for things, because this same grid that runs across the top and on the side will be on the canvas as well. It does have the product number. How big it is? It's 129 by 173. This is an 11 count. So let's take a look at the threads. If I can get a hold of it. Maybe. Oh, I guess there's just one card. Alright, I was trying too hard. Hang on. Hang on. Now this one was not too big, so we don't have any excess threads. But aren't those beautiful? Look at those blues, and then it goes into blue greens. Then we actually have a baby blue and a dark blue. I'm assuming that that's 939. Yes, it is. So that's going to be like down in your trees, and they're not, I don't know how this is going to look. Do you know what I mean? On the canvas and how it's going to translate. So I just, to me, here's where I've kind of paused, if you will. It looks like they're a solid color, sort of. So I'm not real sure. It looks like there's a little bit of a solid color there. It's, you know, as you can see it. But there are some other colors mixed in, but it really doesn't look too terribly, what do you call it, confettied. But yeah, back to the colors. Get down, please. Just a minute. Oh my goodness, she's got the whole outdoors. The door is even open. Yes, go outside and do whatever it is you do. And you got browns, and look at those teals. And that's like a dark blue-green. Probably some, what is it? 3865 and 3866. Yeah, so very beautiful colors. So I think it'll be more of a shaded thing. I'm not real clear on how that's all going to look. There are two needles right there. It does have a salvage edge, so they usually give you a little bit more. Nice, big, huge key. You can see it all. It's like almost a ½ inch for every line. But it's very easy to see. Now this one does have the colors running down, and the DMC numbers, the symbols, and the numbers on the thread card. But very well printed, very darkly looking, you know. Not too dark, but what I'm saying is, it's not like the ink was running out when they did this. So yeah, nice heavy canvas. Let's see how big it is. It is actual size 49. It's a little short by 40, about 40. So that weight's good. But it's not going to, having this salvage edge, it just means that that edge is not going to ravel and shred, you know, as easy. It'll be fine. You've got another, gosh, what is that? 3/4 of an inch. Well, no, let's call it an inch. An inch of regular canvas that isn't salvage edge. So, yeah. The actual picture size is 15 3/4 or 40 centimeters by 12, almost 12, which is 30 1/2. So it's about a 30 by 40. So there's not too much. It's a solid, it's a full coverage. Solid covered. Hello. But yeah, I'm very pleased with the way it's printed and very easy to see. It's just beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. And I just don't know how the colors are going to go, you know. I guess I'll just have to start stitching to see. But not right this second. We got something else we need to look at. It's a very nice kit. They've got a few more that are kind of in this style, if you will. So this one's the first one that I got that looks kind of like that. So I don't know. It's like it's a painting. I don't know. Judge for yourself. If you can figure that out, you know, put it in the comment section below. I don't know what to call it. It's just quite different. Alright, moving along, we have one from the Spring Company. As you know, I love the Spring Company. And this is a partial. This is a partial. Yay, and I don't think I have this one. Sorry, the wind's been blowing. I'm kind of dry. It's 217 by 217, which means it's a 60 by 60. And it is an 11 count. Let me see if I can get you up higher so we can see the whole thing. And they're always so packaged so beautifully. I just absolutely love it. And I love these plastic folders. They can be used for papers later or whatever. But they are very nice to keep your projects in. But let's take a look. Look at those flowers. They kind of look like roses and they kind of look like peonies. But I think they were called actually peonies. And it was $17.47 for this kit. And this is your product number right here. So we'll be checking on things to see if there's a product number like on the thread card or whatever. Oh, I forgot to tell you how many colors. It does have a separate little, I'm trying to figure out which way to go, separate little thing, you know. So it has mixed stitch and full stitch, no half, no quarter, no French knots, you could certainly put those in, and no back stitching. There's nothing on the back here. Has the product number, how big it is, right here, twice, I'm not real sure why, and there are 30 colors in this. Now this key will not match the canvas. We'll just set it aside, but can you ever? There are 2 needles there. Looks like one is already broken. Yay. I don't know how that happened, because this puppy was padded. So I'm not sure. But look at the greens and the oranges like various shades of orange. Now, one thing that I was going to say, they usually put things in the categories like light to dark and that kind of thing, but on this one they didn't. Just so happens that a few of the colors together there are all greens or various shades of green. Then you have that yellow-orange pale and a yellow-orange medium, and then an orange and a dark orange and like a deep, deep orange. But look at the reds. Oh my goodness. So there's going to be some confetti in this one. I can tell already. And number 1 looks like 310. You're going to need some 310 because you've got the lettering, of course, and then all these stems are 310, and there might be some more 310 like right into the shadows of things, so we'll see. Now I was looking to see, there's no product number on here at all. There's a number here, but none of those numbers or these numbers here match anything, so I don't know what those are for. I don't read Chinese. I'm so sorry. But yeah, just beautiful, beautiful colors. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And they always have their canvases in a separate plastic bag, which I appreciate. It's very nice. We'll just save that. And let's open this puppy up. Let me lay that over there so it doesn't get lost. This is going to be kind of trying to figure out which way it goes. Squared, if you will. It's a 60 by 60. But look how well printed that is. Isn't that just absolutely stunning? I'll move it because this ain't moving. It does tell you how many stitches it is, and there is the product number right there on it. And it, like I said, is a partial. But look how big those flowers are. Oh my goodness. Yeah. But very nice key right here. Very easy to read symbols that run across the bottom. And then I gotta turn it just a second. Then over here on this side are the mixed colors. So you use, hang on guys, I'm trying. It's just not cooperating with me. I'm gonna bring it down so you can see what the heck is going on. But yeah, just absolutely beautiful. Very easy to read. This is all in Chinese, but you know from, where did it go? Come on, Harry. That these two colors, these symbols don't match, but these are the colors. So 2 and 3, and it says down here 814 and 2, 823, 890 and plus 823. 524 and 3072 will be for this symbol. And it'll say it right here. So these numbers are your thread card numbers. And then they have attempted to put the, put the DMC numbers in here. And by the way, the entire canvas is serged all the way around. So, yeah, very nice. Sorry, I hit the bell. Okay, back to the canvas. So, very well printed, very easy to see. It doesn't look like real, goodness gracious. Does not look very confettied, if you will. There might be several colors within each of these flowers, but they're like in bands of color instead of helter-skelter. So this would not be hard to stitch at all. Now I laid this sideways, but it goes the other way. I'm just going to measure it while I got it laying right here. It is 60 centimeters that way. And I'm trying. And give or take. Hang in there. Gotta get it hung down. It is 58 and a half this way. The actual picture size is 51, little over 51 by 50 and a half. So it's just a little bit longer, wider than it is long. Get that all wound up there and lay it up there. But yeah, isn't that beautiful? Just a beautiful, beautiful canvas. Like I said, I had it turned around because I was trying to show you the things here on the side. Sorry, I will bring you out. My bad. But very easy to read symbols. I mean, I can't get over it. And the contrast. Why is it doing this? You know, between the light and the dark. You know, the light background, it shows up the symbols much better. But very easy to read. Just love it. Yeah, I just thought it was absolutely beautiful. Okay, let me get it folded back on up and out of my way. I'll just set it right there. But isn't that just fabulous? Love it. Oh my goodness. Now, FGNormal has free shipping on orders over 40 pounds. I'm not sure what that equates to in US dollars. It does have a special because they're having like a Father's Day special. Buy 2, get 1 free. So you would add 3 items in your cart, and then it will automatically take 1 of them off. And if you get 4 items, you get 2 free. So check that out. They do have cross stitch and diamond painting. They have tools and crafts for both. They also have beaded cross stitch, you know, the little cross stitch pictures, and the little keychain ones. Just a few of both of those. Maybe 10 or 12 of both at the very most. They have paint by number with tools and crafts for paint by numbers. They have embroidered crafts and tools. They have custom for diamond painting and paint by number only. And other crafts that they have on their site. They have scrapbooking, wool felt, paper quilling, wax sealing, and they have silk screen stencils. I have never done silk screen, ever. No, we didn't even do that in art. I always wanted to do that, but I don't think I was as careful-ish with things and cutting them out with an X-Acto knife, you know, back then. Yeah, we're still not good with scissors and razor blades, okay? Come on. Can't do it. Yeah, you know, and cutting things. I never have been with an X-Acto knife, so we just stayed away from the silk screening. I think it's beautiful when it's done, but yeah. So do check out FGNormal. I will have all the particulars in the description area below, and I will have the links for both of these kits. Thank you, FGNormal, for sending me these 2 beautiful kits. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.